Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned about the HR tag. Today we are going to learn how to add subscripts and superscripts in HTML. So, what are subscripts and what are superscripts? You all might be knowing what are subscripts and what are superscripts. But for those who don't know, let's just refresh what are subscripts and what are superscripts. So, as you can see here, I have highlighted 2 in H2O. We know that H2O is the formula for water. So, in HTML, if we write H2O, it won't be written like this. 2 won't be a bit smaller compared to others. Here, 2 is a bit smaller and it is like a base number. And in the next line, you can see 15 square. And for square, we use superscript. This is called as superscript. Powers is called as superscript and bases are called as subscript. So, we are going to learn how to add superscript and subscript in HTML. So, let's open Sublime Text and then let's remove the HR tag and let me just write H2O and let me save my changes and then open this file in browser. Now you can see that H2O is simply written on the browser. So we have to add subscript to the 2. Subscript means making it smaller and sending it to the bottom. So for adding a subscript, we use the SUB tag. Remember it is SUB tag. So let's remove H2O and then let's just type H and then we have to add a subscript here. So let me open the SUB tag and let me close it also. The closing tag is already appeared and between the subscript tags let me write 2 because only 2 should be subscripted. Now let me write everything in this and let's see what will happen. Let me save my changes and refresh the browser. You can see that everything is subscripted. We want only 2 to be subscripted. So let's write H and O before and after it. Let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can clearly observe that 2 is at the bottom and it's a bit smaller compared to others. So let's learn how to add superscripts now. It is very similar to subscript. I want to add 15 square. So let me type 15 and then let me type 2. It looks like 152, right? But we want 15 square. So before 2, we have to add a opening SUP and after 2, we have to add a closing SUP. So let me remove 2 and add SUP tag. Now I have opened and closed the SUP tag. So in between these, let me write 2. Now let me save my changes and refresh the browser. You can see that 15 square is appearing here. For a line change, let's add a BR tag between these both. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Make sure that you are saving your changes every time when you are refreshing, or else your changes won't be impacted on the browser. Now you can see that 2 is like a superscript. There are no attributes for SUB and SUP. They are simple tags. Friends, hope you understood how to add subscripts and superscripts in HTML. Bye friends.